In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams meeting not showing in Outlook 2026 update. If the Teams meeting button is missing or your meetings aren't syncing, we'll walk through reliable fixes in a clear order so you can get back to scheduling. Start by restarting both apps in the right sequence. Fully close Outlook, quit Microsoft Teams completely, then open Teams first. Give it about a minute or two to load your profile and services, and only then open Outlook. The Teams add-in often initializes correctly when Teams starts before Outlook. Next, confirm the Teams add-in is actually enabled in Outlook. Open Outlook, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. At the bottom, set Manage to Com add-ins and click Go. In the list, make sure Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office is checked and click OK. If it keeps unchecking itself, Outlook may have disabled it due to a previous issue. To re-enable a disabled add-in, go back to File Options Add-ins. At the bottom, change Manage to Disabled Items and click Go. If you see the Teams add-in there, re-enable it and restart Outlook so the change sticks. Make sure you're signed in with the same account in both apps. Your Outlook and Teams profiles must match typically the same work or school Microsoft 365 account. A mismatch can block the integration, even if the add-in is present. Keep both apps current. In Outlook, go to File Office Account, then choose Update Options and select Update Now. For Teams, download and install the latest version from the official Microsoft Teams download page to ensure you have all recent fixes. If you're on a work or school account, policies may be the root cause. Ask your administrator to review settings in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center and verify that Teams meeting features are enabled and the Outlook add-in is allowed. After policy changes, sign out and back in or restart the apps. Clearing the Teams cache can also help on Windows. Quit Teams, press Windows plus R, type %, app data %/Microsoft/Teams, and delete the cache files in that folder. Then restart Teams. This removes temporary data that might block the add-in without affecting your files. If Outlook itself is corrupted, repair Office. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, find Microsoft 365 or Office, click Modify, then choose Quick Repair first. If issues continue, try Online Repair. Also check Outlook's Calendar view. Open Calendar, click New Event, and look for the Teams meeting toggle or button. Sometimes it's simply hidden by the layout. As a last resort, uninstall Teams, restart your computer, and reinstall the latest version from the official download. Follow these steps in order, and your Teams meeting options should reappear in Outlook. Thanks for watching, and good luck.